Good morning. This is Ma'am Jo, and this morning I will be talking about relations and functions. My lesson for today is talking about most essential learning competency number 23, which says illustrating a relation and a function. For our objectives, at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to illustrate a relation and a function. Let's try to consider the following correspondences. As you can see, I have two sets, set A and set B. Notice that I have in set A the names of students and for set B the corresponding favorite subjects. Now there is a relation between A to B because A is related to B since the students on set A corresponds to his or her favorite subject for set B. Julia loves Araling Panlipunan. Catherine loves English. Daniel loves mathematics. Alden loves Filipino. And Maine loves Araling Panlipunan. For number 2, I have here a graph. Now notice that this is a relation between the categories 1 to 4 and its corresponding percentages. Now what kind of graphs do we have? Yes, we have straight line graph. This is also an example of a relation. And in fact, this is also a function. For number 3, I have a set M which has a relation of numbers corresponding to letters. Notice that I have the first ordered pair, 0 corresponds to A, 1 corresponds to B, 2 corresponds to B, 3 corresponds to C, and 4 corresponds to A. This is an example of a relation, but this is not a function. For number 4, I have a relation of x to y. I have numbers for x and corresponding to numbers in y. Okay, this is a relation, but this definitely is not a function. Now let's go to the definitions of relation and functions. A relation is a set of ordered pairs. Now, as you can see from our examples, these relations can be represented by arrow diagrams, a set notation table of values, a sketch of its graphs, or a table of values. Now, a function, on the other hand, is a relation in which no two ordered pairs have the same first coordinate. Now, the vertical line test is used to determine whether the graph is a function or not. If any vertical line drawn through the graph intersects the graph at exactly one point, then the graph represents a function.